So today I just finished installing the Fgen photography set. This is a lighting kit that's great for anybody doing photography, video shoots, or even your YouTube videos or for lighting for live streams. It's absolutely perfect for that. Everything you need comes in this bag. It has all carry bags for all the accessories and everything that you'll need. So you literally could take this anywhere with you. Two large 85-watt LED bulbs as well. Also comes with two remote controls and two adjustable stands. Now it was so simple, to be honest, I didn't even open the instructions. It was so easy to actually put together. I think the first one took me about 10 minutes and then the second one was even less than that. All I did was extend the legs out at the bottom, adjusted the height to the height that I needed, and then looked at installing the softbox. This literally just springs out. You just push the inside. It has four kind of legs on it, springy legs. You push that into place and it pops out, and it's like an umbrella basically. And then all you do is insert this onto the top. Now the only bit about this I didn't like is the actual attachment, this part here. I'm not even sure this has been designed for this stand. It doesn't look right at all, but it did actually hold. It does what it needs to do, but yeah, it's not a great fixing at all, but it works and you can adjust it horizontally and vertically. You can adjust it in any position. The bulb was a screw-in 85-watt LED bulb. It gives you around 2,700 to 6,400 K of light. 3 colour temperatures on here as well. Now it's important you put the softbox on just to spread out light out naturally, and there's some velcro that goes at the side to hold that on. Again, super simple, just put it over the edges and attach the velcro. And that's it, pretty much. That is installation done, less than 10 minutes per light. And as you can see, I just tightened it a bit more, and then you can adjust the position of the softbox. Now you can have it horizontal or vertical depending on what you want the light for, and you can see it adjusted very easily there. Also comes with around 8 foot of power cable lead and a very simple on and off switch. No real settings on the on and off switch. That is all done via the remote. So the remote has lots of features on it, but they're all basically the same feature. You have one button for a warm light, soft light, or white light. You also have a brightness up and down button, or you can do it in percentages: 20% light, 50% light, 100% light. And you can see the difference here. First of all, I'm testing the warm, the soft, and the white light, and then this is darkness. Switch them on and you can see the instant transformation. So yeah, they're absolutely perfect for what I need. You can see a little filming studio here that I've set up for YouTube, and again, my only bugbear, this little bracket here. But other than that, I found them really good and certainly worth the money. Definitely would recommend them.